Advent of Code 2022, Day 3. Rucksack reorganization. Each rucksack has 2 large compartments. All items of a given type are meant to go into exactly one of the 2 compartments. The elf that did the packing felt there is rule for exactly 1 item type per rucksack. The elves have made a list of all the items currently in each rucksack. Your puzzle input. But they need your help finding errors. Every item type is identified by a single lowercase or uppercase letter. That is A and uppercase A refer to different types of item. The list of items for each rucksack is given as characters on all on a single line. A given rucksack always has the same number of items in each of its 2 compartments. So the first half of the character represents items in the first compartment, while the second half of the characters represent the item in the second compartment. For example, suppose you have following a list of contents from 6 rucksacks. Okay. Rim. No, it's strip. And then okay, rucksack contents equals, I guess, look at print rucksack rucksack contents, and then okay, bag 0 to length, bag divided by 2 for bag in file data. What is it? Okay, one bag. Oh wait, this needs to be split to lines. Okay, now bag. It should be bag 0 to length, bag. And then this one, I guess something like this. Yes. Okay, so those are the compartments of each bag. First rucksack contains items. The only item type that appears in both compartments is lowercase p. The second rucksack. Okay. To help prioritize the item rearrangement, every item can be converted to a. Okay, so priorities, it's like, well, enumerate A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Like, Okay, I don't. Okay, Python list of letters. Okay. So this is somehow like enumerate string dot ASCII lowercase plus string dot ASCII uppercase, and then actually this should be somehow like okay, for number letter in, so this should be letter number priorities and number plus 1. Let's say lowercase a is 1. 38, it's uppercase L. Okay, what is the sum of the priorities of those item type? Okay, find the item type that appears. Okay, find the item type that appears in both compartments for each rucksack. What is okay? So basically, okay, appears. It's like list comprehension. So this is like okay, it's like for left, well, I don't know, left, right, or what is it? Rucksack contents. Okay, so it's like set left. I think set intersection is that. Okay, Python set. Ah, okay. That's not, that's symmetric difference. Okay, so it's PLP. Okay. So print some, I don't know, priorities for X in I don't know, list X0. Nice. So get your puzzle input. $7,553. That's the right answer. Continue to part 2. As you finish identifying the misplaced items, come to you with another issue. Every elf carries a badge that affects the group proficiency within each group of the 3 elves. A badge is the only item type carried by all 3 elves. That is, if a group's badge is item type B, then all 3 elves will have item type B somewhere in their rucksack, and most of the elves will be carrying any other item type. Promise that someone from Every set of tree lines in your list corresponds to a single group, but each group can have a different badge item type. So in the example above, the first group's rucksack. Find the item type that corresponds to the badges of each 3 elf group. What is the sum of badges of those? Okay. So Predator is rucksack contents, and then I don't know. Groups of 3. It should be something like for I in range length rucksack contents divided by 3. Should be rucksack contents I and 3. Oh, that's a tuple. Okay, it should be I plus 4 for some reason. Oh, wait. Okay, that is correct. And then now there is this part. Okay. Appears in all 3. Okay, so A, E. Oof, what? In the first group, the only item type that appears in all 3 rucksacks is lowercase r. This must be their badges. In the second group, their badge item type must be Z. So in this case, actually the splitting into compartments doesn't matter. Too many values to unpack. Okay, groups of 3. In the first group, the only item type that appears in all 3 rucksacks is lowercase r. This must be their badges in the second group. Wait. The groups of 3 make a lot of sense now. Okay, let's put back the sample. R YZ. The first group is the FPSLWG. The second one is SL. Oh. Okay, nice. So now I just use this. Here is in all three. So now that's 70. No, it's 2,758. That's the right answer.